All this maintenance stuff really comes down to saving you money in the long run.
That's correct.
Like you do it yourself or you hire Jeremy to get in there and do it for you, and then you'll spend a little now and it'll save you a lot later.
That's correct.
Hey guys, I'm with Jeremy Wiggins with One Stop Services, and did you guys know that he knows more than just about birthing cows and installing concrete? You're never gonna live that down.
No.
He knows about maintenance too. He knows all the things. He wants to do all the things. So he's here with me today to talk about 5 tips that you can do in your own lawn, like during this time of the year when it's still relatively cool, although we're out here. I'm in short sleeves. It's January and it's like 97 degrees, but it's only gonna get hotter, guys. So now's the time for you to do your maintenance on your lawn. And we're gonna tell you the 5 things that you can do that you may or may not have thought of, that maybe aren't the typical regular maintenance tips.
That's right.
One being the roof, which you mentioned, which is a huge, huge deal.
That's right. You know, a lot of us here in Mobile, we have the big oak trees.
Yes.
Big trees, you know, they're deciduous and they're going to lose their leaves. Where do they fall? On your roof.
And they're pretty much gone now. Like everything's pretty much shed at this point.
Right.
So you can get up there and clean up that roof, because if they stay up there, then they're gonna rot.
That's right.
Your, I guess the soffits and all where the roof line meets the house.
Correct.
If you've got wood, you'll end up with some rot. So it's better for you to go ahead and get that done
That's
now.
right. That's correct.
What's number 2?
Number 2 would be the gutters. Because you got to think
yeah.
about it, where the leaves going after they leave the roof, they're going to the gutters.
Yep.
A lot of people don't have the mesh on top of the gutters, so they're going to get clogged, and what happens then, the water's not going to do, it's not going to do what it's supposed to do.
Do you have any special tips for cleaning a gutter?
Well,
it's just a pain in the rear, isn't it?
It's just not a fun job, but it has to be done.
Yeah, because that really will keep
that's right.
the water flowing and not
And
rotting
actually,
your
the
eaves
water will
and
back up, and then it'll cause water damage in your wood, and you know, if you have wood there, so it's a major maintenance that has to be done every year.
Yeah, and you know that all of this maintenance stuff really comes down to saving you money in the long run.
That's correct.
Like you do it yourself or you hire Jeremy to get in there and do it for you, and then you'll spend a little now and it'll save you a lot later.
That's correct.
All right, what's number 3?
Number 3 is leaves are everywhere. That's the obvious.
They're on the roof.
They're on the gutters, and they get in your yard. You know what I mean? You don't want it just to stay there, you know. So
although you can put them in the landscape bed and they
use
can
them in the
fertilize.
landscape bed, and they
you
will.
Put them in your compost
that's
pile.
right, compost, and they'll do that. But try to get them up out of your yard, you know, to where it doesn't cause bare spots and such as that. So that's number 3.
All right, what's number 4?
Number 4.
Limit up some trees.
I'm sorry. Limit up some trees. Pruning. You know what I mean? That could be a variety of things. You know, your regular trees, your shrubs, whatever's needed. You know, getting yourself ready for the spring flush. You have to be careful on some. We won't go into details, but if you call me up, we can discuss that later too on certain plants that need to be pruned.
But you'll see trees that have the big branches, and then you'll see down on the straight part of the trunk that all those little, what we call suckers, are coming off the side. And those are super easy for you to take care of. You don't necessarily have to, unless you have a bunch of trees, but they're super easy to just cut those off so that the tree will continue to grow up and out instead of producing more and more limbs on those lower part of the trees.
That's right.
All right, what's number 5?
Number 5, I'm going with power washing.
Ooh, that's I love that one. You know I love a power wash.
We do a lot of power washing, getting ready for spring. Everybody's getting that spring cleaning. While we're into the cleaning mode, we've gotten all the leaves off the house, gutters are cleaned. Now guess what happens when you do that? You're gonna see dirt, stain, mildew, you'll see the old green algae built up on your eaves and stuff, and that's just from the wet season that we've had in the winter time. So why not come on through here and clean it all up and give you a good, fresh, clean
I love that.
look.
So for the spring, you've got a brand new start for your entire landscape. You'll feel like that new year,
that's right,
new you, new house feel, that it feels so good to just drive up to a really beautifully clean, simple, maintained home. So thanks so much, Jeremy, for all the tips. If you guys have any questions, comment below and Jeremy will answer them for you because he knows about everything.
That's right.